Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Wineinger Racing. We're finally back from SEMA. It was a great getaway. Saw some awesome cars, met some great people, but it's time to get back to work. Today we'll be working on the C10. We're going to start building the roll cage in it. My dad is out getting steel for the main hoop. I'm going to start by removing the rear window and the front window. In order to do that, I need to get this trim off, then I'll just cut the seal out of the way. And hopefully he's back by the time all that is done. As you can already tell, I started on the front window. I removed the trim, had to figure out how to do that. So now I'm going to do that on the rear window, and I'm going to show you guys how to take care of that. Alright, on the back window, just slide this out of the way, and then start prying away from the seal. I have a little pry tool here. It's real handy. It just gets in there and you can pry off. So yeah, I'm going to take care of that right now and get this window out of here. This one's being a little more stubborn than the front window. I'm going to get a smaller pick. Third time's a charm. Takes a little force. Alright, now that the trim is out of the way, get this window out. Looks like the trim already cut its way through here. So I can just easily just pull this back, or off rather, and take the window out. I'm going to grab a razor blade so I can start cutting away at this rubber. Alright, that window is now out. Now I'm going to get started on the front. This one doesn't necessarily need to be coming out, but there's a big old crack right here, right there. So I'm just going to take it out anyways. But this one had to come out so we can get the bars that go down to the frame right here. So that had to be done for sure. So I'm basically going to do the same method I did with the rear and just cut around the seal here so I could pop this one out. Alright guys, so the GoPro overheated, so of course I finished what I was doing. The front window is now out, back window's out, Now there's so much room inside this cab for activities. Now I'm just waiting on my dad to come back with the steel so we can finish the main hoop and yeah, get this roll cage started. Well guys, steel's here. Let's get to building. Double check at the price of this. 64 inches, telling you it was plenty. Alright guys, well that was a lot of fun, and truth be told, that was the very first time I ever bent chromoly, and there's a little bit more spring action to chromoly than mild steel, but as you can see, we got it bent. The 90s flexed out just about, I think we figured a ½ an inch on the bottom on each side. For a 5-inch piece isn't that bad, and plus the area of the roof is a little bit tighter than the floor, so if we're out a little bit, that's fine. So now we got to take this hole saw, and we're going to be determining where the frame will go through the floor here. So we'll go ahead and do that little bit of work there, and because I want to put that hoop into the truck and see how that looks. So we'll be back in a little bit. I think we're right on top of a body mount there. So that's interesting. So you can see what we're running into here. It's basically the frame for the body mounts. $30 worth of tubes. This stuff is insane. We'll use it to gusset something. Gusset the well, from the frame out. Yeah. These will work perfect. Yeah. whatever needed to take, huh? See what happens. Trim a little down there. Yeah, it's just a little part of the hole there. So, all right, where's that little die grinder? All right, guys. Well, we're having a little fun now. We got the back hoop of the cage in there. We got Bobby sitting in it with his helmet on. Had to elevate the cage with some jacks, but I think the only issue is, in order to put the back bars to the frame in the back, we're gonna have to cut through the body. But he is sitting just about right. There's only about 3 inches between his noggin and the frame. 3 to 4 inches there, so I think it's funny. I think that is going to be the ticket right there. So that back hoop, the fabrication went just fine. And now we know how we're going to mount it to the truck. So we got a good start to the cage today. Bobby's all ready to start driving.
Oh, I've been ready.
We'll get that LS built, and we'll get this truck running in a jiffy. Yeah, we got to get the rod bearings, and then we can put the bottom end together. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe, because we're building a C10 race truck. And you don't want to miss any of that. You guys have a great day now.